Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can redeem your gift card on your eBay account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing we want to do is simply open any browser which you have on your device. Once you open your browser, in the search box you want to go ahead and type in ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, you also want to make sure that you're actually logged into your eBay account, because if you are not logged in, then obviously you will not be able to redeem your gift card or coupons or code. So once you are logged in, you want to make sure that this is how the home interface of the application looks like. Now the process to redeem code on eBay e-commerce website is actually a little different when compared to other processes. For example, for other applications and websites, you can directly redeem the code or gift or coupon cards in the settings. But for eBay, what we want to do is simply first of all go and try to shop any of the products which we know. So once you go ahead and select the product which you want to buy, you want to go ahead and tap on buy now at the product right over here. Once you click on buy now, you can see here it is asking us to enter our payment information, such as adding a new card, PayPal or credit card or Google Pay and so on. Here you can also change the delivery address, and you can also review your item and shipping and quantity and so on. Now at the bottom, if you scroll down, you will find an option called gift card, coupons or eBay bucks. So this is where we want to enter the code of the gift card which you have received. So what we want to do is simply enter our code right over here, and depending on the usage of the code, on the right hand side you want to tap on apply. As soon as you tap and apply, your gift card code will be automatically applied, and it will give you all the necessary discounts on whatever the gift card has to offer. So in this way you can really easily find the option of gift card and then redeem your eBay gift card on your eBay account. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, then simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in our next video.